Famous Lightning Ridge. Here we are, mate, we made it. Somehow I booked it wrong. Sorry, Jordan. And this is what I booked online way back in June. Okay, we've been very lucky after going to reception and telling them that there were ants everywhere. No extra cost, the emergency room they had, we've been updated. Okay, spent the night at Moonie Crossroads, very comfortable, nice feed at the pub. We're in front of the rain, which is, so far we're alright. Off to Lightning Ridge now. Alright. About straight roads, dead straight roads. Getting there. This is Hebel. Awesome little pub here. I'm gonna pull up and have a coldie. Last time we were here, Jordan was underage and he couldn't have a beer. And how did that work? He had his learners on the motorbike, but yeah, couldn't go to the hotel. But today we'll be right. There she is, what a ripper. Alright, Geordie. Cheers, Jordan. Good yourself? All good, mate. Gotta love country pubs. There's the breeding catcher. Oh, what's that? Not many people would remember how those things work. I think it was 2 shorts and 1 long for us back in the day. Alright, time for a beer again. Cheers again, Geordie. Famous Lightning Ridge. Here we are, mate. We made it. So this is 4 years ago. Myself, Jordan, my son, and 2 others came out here. Jordan was on a KLX250 and was flat out about 100 kilometers an hour. Fuel range of about 130 kilometers. I was on a Honda XR650L, but I had a big fuel tank on it at a 400 kilometer range. So now I'm on a T7. He's on an MT07. I'm going to try and take some photos to recreate what we did back 4 years ago, and I'll put the drone up too. Alrighty, let's go.
So we were, somehow I booked it wrong. Sorry, Jordan. And this is what I booked online way back in June. Yeah, no bathroom. No bathroom, you have to go to use the minis. And anyway, we noticed that there's friggin', now I can't find them.
Right there. And there.
Ants.
Ants on my fucking bed, on my floor.
Ants all over them. So we went and spoke to them, and luckily we've been upgraded, so we're moving already. Thumbs up.
Okay, we've been very lucky after going to reception and telling them that there were ants everywhere. No extra cost, the emergency room they had, we've been updated. 3 singles. Hello Jordan. A much nicer room. No ants. And a bathroom. Yeah. Hey, where's the shower door? That's going to get very wet. Alright, we made Lightning Ridge 2 nights here. It's beer o'clock. Cheers.